Now I will show you how to visualize the Web HMI. You can find it running in the system tray. Let's open it and take a look. The first time you start the Web HMI, it may take a little longer to launch. After a moment, you can see that the service starts and begins running. At first, the system may show a partially running state. This is a very good example of what you can monitor using iiQWorks.Cockpit. Here, you can clearly see the current status of the robot and what is happening in the controller. Once everything is ready, the system shows that it has fully started. Another window opens automatically. I will bring it to the front so you can see it clearly. Now the human-machine interface, or HMI, is running. This is great to see. When you switch to the 3D view, you can see a visual representation of the robot running in the simulation. Let's position the view similarly to before. The program running here is very simple. It is not complex, but it demonstrates that the system is executing correctly. The program is now called main. You can see the main program running and executing as expected. When you open the main program, you can watch it step through the program points. There's also a quick access link in the upper left corner, next to the hamburger menu, that lets you jump directly to it. This is the main program. There are no other programs available at the moment, but if there were, you could open them as well. For example, if you open another program such as the Cell program, you can view multiple programs at the same time using the tab view on the pendant interface. Here you can see that the main program is the one currently executing. This window is called the execution window, and it provides a clear overview of what the controller is doing. These are very useful features. You can also switch between the Cell program, the 3D view, and the main user interface. If you want to check which options are available, go to System Information. Here you can see which options are loaded for this controller instance. The same options are displayed consistently across this instance. This is a very convenient way to view the robot pendant on your laptop while working in simulation. You can also access the Web HMI by using a browser address. This is part of one of the exercises. If you copy the address and open it in a new browser tab, the interface will load there. If you have more than one controller instance running, the system will not automatically know which one to display. In that case, open the Controller Manager. From there, you can see all currently running controller instances and access their web views. Go back to the browser, open the Controller Manager, and press the corresponding button. Now you can select which controller instance you want to view. For example, this one is called Gripper Control, and this instance is the one that is currently running. There are several ways to use a web browser to view the controller and the HMI. Now it is time for you to try this yourself and get familiar with the workflow.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.